Introduction to Transaction Limits in Digital Wallets.
Transaction limits are a powerful tool for protecting your money when using digital wallets. By setting spending and transaction limits, you can help guard against theft, fraud, and accidental overspending. In this guide, we'll show you how to find and adjust these settings in popular digital wallet apps, making your digital payments safer and more secure.
Locating security and limit settings.
Start by opening your digital wallet app. Look for the Settings menu, usually accessed by tapping your profile or the gear icon. Within Settings, search for sections labeled Security, Limits, or Account Controls. These areas contain options related to spending controls and transaction restrictions.
Setting daily and per transaction limits.
Most digital wallet apps allow you to set daily, weekly, or per transaction limits. This means you can control how much can be spent or transferred in a given period or with a single payment. Adjust these numbers based on your usual spending and save your changes to apply the new security measures.
Benefits of transaction limits.
Setting transaction limits gives you greater peace of mind. If someone else gains access to your wallet, these limits will restrict their ability to drain your account. Limits can also help you stick to a budget and avoid impulse purchases by placing clear boundaries on spending.
Tips for choosing the right limits.
Choose limits that reflect your regular needs but are low enough to minimize risk. Review and update your settings periodically, especially after changes in your spending habits. Consider enabling additional security features, such as alerts and two-factor authentication, for even stronger protection.
Conclusion and staying informed.
Regularly checking and updating your digital wallet's transaction limits helps you stay protected in an evolving digital landscape. Familiarize yourself with your app's security features and take a proactive approach to managing your money online for safer, stress-free payments.